Hello you guys, and welcome back to today's tutorial. We're going to be doing a tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly the look that I was wearing in my Gingerbread Spice palette review, which is right here. I definitely did a review and a swatch already, so if you guys want to check it out, I literally just posted it. I'll have it linked right up here for you guys and also in the description box if you guys want to check it out after. But I wanted to show you guys the look because I got a lot of really positive feedback from you guys, so thank you so much. So that is what we're doing today. I'm going to show you guys exactly the steps that I took to get this look. So what I'm doing right now is just taking that orange tone shade and I'm just going to run it all over the lid and into the crease as well as the transition shade. This look is really just kind of all blown out colors together. This eyeshadow is just going to be all over the place, so feel free to go crazy. So now we're going to go in with a reindeer paws, and you guys can see this is one of the shadows that I did speak about in my review video. A little sneak peek if you guys didn't see it yet, but this is the shadow that I was having a lot of difficulty with. And you guys can see right there, just a little bit of frustration, but we're going to keep trucking on. That's what we do here. So we're just going to go ahead and blend it all out. So that is really all of it for the eye look. Now we're going to move into liner. Today I decided to use a liquid lipstick for liner, and I decided to go in with this really deep red, almost like a cranberry shade, because I thought it would come out really, really pretty with this eye look. So I'm just going to use it. Honestly, I've worn liquid lipsticks for eyeliners before now, and I have no irritation, but I would definitely just be on the cautious side if you are going to use it. And you know, once you find if you don't have any irritation, you could definitely utilize your liquid lipsticks if you don't wear them as often as liners, which I think is a really cool idea. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish off with my brows. You guys know I normally do my brows before I even start filming, but I wanted to try out this technique, see if it came out better, and I didn't mind the way that it came out, so I was actually kind of happy with the results. So now we're just going to go ahead and set the brows, and then after we get done doing that, we're going to go ahead and pop on some lashes, and then we're just done with the face, and then, the eyes, and we're just going to finish off with the brow bone. Then to finish off on the skin, we're now moving there, and we're going to be using the Farsali Blur Skin Primer. This is a little bit new. I've used it a few times now, and I will say when I first saw it, I was a little nervous because you guys know I get a little nervous when it comes to oils, but when I opened it, I was like, oh, this is not an oil. It's a primer serum. So it's the same way as a primer, and it actually worked really well. It actually felt like it, you know, kind of blurred my larger pores right here on the T-zone area, and I was really impressed with it. So for concealer, I did go in with the very full coverage concealer because I had a little bit of the liquid lipstick kind of bleed into my inner corners and it stained, so I had to make sure that I had something full coverage to really get in there and really cover it. And this all-nighter by Urban Decay works really well. So I'm just going to go ahead and set everything now, and I'm just using a little bit of translucent powder and then also going to set the rest of my face. And then I'm just going to move into the lower lash line. So to bronze up the skin, I actually am going to go in with this CoverGirl Face powder. I bought one that was a shade or two darker than me, and I actually used the same method in my CoverGirl One Brand tutorial, so I decided to play around with it because, you guys, I really like the way that this feels, and I love the way that it looks on my face, so I've been using this quite often here. And then I'm just going to finish off with this blush, which is a Makeup Geek blush. I believe it's called Heartthrob, and it's just in the pan, and then I just have it in my Z palette, and then I'm just going to dust off all the excess powder that's on my face. Once I get done with that, I'm going to move into liquid lipstick. This here is the Buxom liquid lipstick. I've worn this. I've had this in my purse for quite some time now, you guys, and I feel like it's such a beautiful liquid lipstick. I definitely have like a couple favorites that I have eyeing for the fall look. So if you guys want to see like my favorite fall lipsticks, let me know. I definitely would love to show you guys them. So we're just going to finish off with them highlighter. This here is one of the new highlighters from Revlon. And then once we get done doing that, we are all set, you guys. So thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. Thank you all so much for the love on this look, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Make sure to subscribe before you guys head out, and I will see you guys all later. Bye.